Welcome to a journey into the heart of Estonia's stunning landscapes, a nation bestowed with natural beauty. Nestled in the northern part of Europe, Estonia is a gem that sparkles with diverse and enchanting scenery. This land, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, holds a unique allure for every traveler. Imagine yourself traversing through serene forests that stretch as far as the eye can see, their tranquility only interrupted by the chirping of birds or the rustling of leaves. Picture the country's coastlines, where the Baltic Sea gently kisses golden sands under the watchful eyes of lighthouses. Visualize the charm of historical sites, where every stone tells a story of times long past. Estonia, where nature sings a symphony of beauty and history lends a timeless rhythm, is a canvas painted with the most vibrant hues of scenic splendor. Now prepare to marvel at Estonia's top scenic locations that captivate the hearts of travelers. First on our list is the serene Lahemaa National Park, a true haven for nature enthusiasts. Tucked away in the northern reaches of Estonia, this park is a tapestry of sprawling forests that weave an intricate pattern of lush greenery. Here, each tree stands as a testament to the enduring beauty of nature, their branches reaching out as if to welcome every visitor. As you delve deeper into the woods, you'll be greeted by a symphony of sounds. The rustle of leaves underfoot, the gentle whisper of the wind, and the faint chirping of birds create a melodic backdrop to your adventure. In this tranquil setting, it's not uncommon to spot a diverse array of wildlife, from playful squirrels darting between the trees to majestic deer grazing in the clearings. But the forests are just the beginning. The park is also home to the enchanting Jagala waterfall, a natural spectacle that takes your breath away. Imagine a curtain of water cascading down a rocky facade, the droplets catching the sunlight and creating a shimmering spectacle. The roar of the waterfall drowns out all other sounds, enveloping you in its powerful rhythm. While nature is the star of the show in Lahemaa National Park, there's also a rich cultural tapestry to explore. Scattered throughout the park are historical manors, each with its own unique charm. These grand structures, steeped in history, add a cultural dimension to the natural beauty of the park. They stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their elegant facades a stark contrast to the wild beauty of the surrounding forests. Each manor tells a story, from tales of noble families who once resided there to the events that shaped Estonia's history. Walking through these manors is like stepping back in time, offering a glimpse into a bygone era. Lahemaa National Park, a perfect blend of cultural history and natural splendor, is a must-visit for any traveler. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply someone seeking tranquility, this park has something for everyone. So, pack your bags and prepare to be mesmerized by the serene beauty of Lahemaa National Park. Next, we journey to Saaremaa Island, Estonia's largest island and a treasure trove of scenic beauty. Imagine an island oasis nestled in the Baltic Sea, where the gentle whisper of waves kissing the shore becomes your lullaby. This is Saaremaa Island, a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to truly savor the beauty of nature. Saarema's coastline is a sight to behold, with its pristine beaches stretching as far as the eye can see. The crisp, salty sea breeze mingles with the earthy scent of the surrounding flora, creating an intoxicating aroma that is uniquely Saaremaa. Lighthouses dot the coastline, standing tall like sentinels, their beacons guiding seafarers through the darkest nights. But the allure of Saaremaa extends beyond its stunning coastline. The island is home to the historical Bishop's Castle, a testament to the island's rich past. This medieval fortress, with its formidable stone walls and towering spires, bears the imprints of centuries gone by. As you wander through its ancient halls, you can almost hear the echoes of the stories it has witnessed. Saaremaa Island is not just about the landscapes and history, it's about the tranquil atmosphere that pervades every corner of the island. It's about the unique culture, a blend of Estonian traditions and islander lifestyle that is palpable in the local music, art, and cuisine. It's about the warmth of the islanders, who welcome visitors with open hearts and shared stories. The magic of Saaremaa lies in its ability to make you feel at home, even when you're miles away from your own. It's a place where you can find peace in the rhythm of the waves, inspiration in the sight of the lighthouses, and a sense of connection in the echoes of the Bishop's Castle. Saaremaa Island, with its serene beaches and rich history, is a destination that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper understanding of Estonia's culture, Saaremaa Island offers it all. And when you leave, you'll carry a piece of Saaremaa in your heart, a reminder of the time when you stepped away from the rush of the world to experience the tranquil beauty of this island paradise. Moving away from the natural landscapes, let us explore the enchanting old town of Tallinn. Nestled in the heart of Estonia's capital city, this charming district brims with history, culture, and a unique architectural beauty that's hard to match. As you wander through the narrow, winding cobblestone streets, you're transported back in time. The medieval architecture, with its towering spires, rustic stone walls, and intricate details, is a testament to the city's rich past. Each building, each brick, each cobblestone has a story to tell, whispering tales of knights, kings, and ancient citizens who once walked the very paths you tread. But it's not just the architecture that captivates. The old town is a vibrant hub of culture. Street performers fill the air with music, while quaint cafes and artisan boutiques line the streets, offering a taste of the local flavor. The lively squares, often bustling with markets and festivals, are the perfect places to immerse yourself in the local culture, to feel the pulse of the city. And then, there's Toompea Hill. This elevated spot offers panoramic views of the city that are nothing short of breathtaking. From this vantage point, the red rooftops of the old town contrast beautifully with the modern skyline and the shimmering Baltic Sea in the distance. It's a sight that encapsulates the beauty of Tallinn, a city that effortlessly blends the old with the new. But the charm of Tallinn's old town is more than just its visual appeal. It's in the air, in the energy of the place. It's in the warmth of the locals, and in the stories that echo from the ancient walls. It's a place where history and modernity intertwine, offering a rich tapestry of experiences that linger in your memory long after you've left. Tallinn's Old Town, a charming blend of history and modernity, offers an immersive experience into Estonia's past. Finally, we visit Pank, the highest cliff in Saaremaa, and a sight to behold. Rising majestically from the earth, this stunning natural formation stands as a testament to the geological wonders that Estonia has to offer. Its rocky face, a canvas of time, tells a story that spans millions of years, a story of ice ages and shifting seas, of relentless winds, and the steady march of time. The view from the cliff's edge is breathtaking. It stretches out across the infinite expanse of the Baltic Sea, a shimmering canvas of blue that merges seamlessly with the sky at the horizon. Beneath the cliff, the sea carves out intricate designs on the sandy shoreline, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. Pank is not just a geological marvel, but also a site steeped in local legend. It's said that the cliff was once a sacred place for ancient Estonians, a spot where they performed rituals and offerings to the sea. Even today, locals whisper tales of a mythical beast that once roamed these cliffs, a creature so powerful that it carved out the cliff's face with its mighty claws. In the quiet moments atop Pank, as you look out over the vastness of the sea, you can almost hear the echoes of these ancient stories. The wind seems to carry whispers of the past, of rituals and legends, of mythical beasts and ancient people who revered the sea and the land. Pank is not just a cliff, but a window into Estonia's rich history and culture. It's a place where the past and present collide, where the power of nature is on full display, and where ancient legends come to life in the whispering wind and the crashing waves below. Pank, with its stunning vistas and intriguing folklore, is an awe-inspiring conclusion to our Estonian journey. And that, my friends, concludes our scenic tour of Estonia. We've journeyed through the tranquil forests of Lahemaa National Park, basked in the peaceful ambience of Saaremaa Island, strolled the charming cobblestone streets of Tallinn's Old Town, and marveled at the striking cliffs of Pank. Estonia's unique blend of natural and cultural attractions makes it a must-visit for all travel enthusiasts. Its serene landscapes and rich history offer an array of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, Estonia has something for you. Now we're eager to hear from you. Which area of Europe has caught your fancy? Is there a specific destination you'd like us to delve into next? We're all ears. Leave your suggestions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more stunning destinations. Until next time, happy travels!